Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. I've got something today that's all about giving your eyes that wow factor, whether you're going for subtle sophistication or full-on glam. We're taking a closer look at the Estée Lauder High-Powered Eyes Turbo Lash Mascara 3-piece gift set. This set isn't just mascara, it's a trio designed to define, volumize, and brighten your eyes. And it comes with the Turbo Lash Mascara, Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, and the Double Wear Eye Pencil. Right off the bat, the packaging gives you that Estée Lauder luxury vibe. Sleek, chic, and sturdy. Perfect for gifting or treating yourself. The mascara promises bold volume and length, with a brush designed to lift each lash individually. The eye cream is formulated with their signature Advanced Night Repair technology, aimed at reducing the look of dark circles and fine lines, while the eyeliner is a creamy pencil that claims long-lasting wear and rich pigment. Testing it out, I started with the eye cream, which feels lightweight yet hydrating. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which makes it a great base before applying any eye makeup. Then came the Turbo Lash Mascara. The brush really does help separate lashes while building volume. I found it layered beautifully without clumping, and it gave a lifted, wide-eyed effect that lasts through the day. The Double Wear Eye Pencil glides smoothly, holds color well, and doesn't smudge easily, which is impressive for an eyeliner. The combination of all three products makes your eyes pop, while keeping things sophisticated and wearable for daily looks or evening glam. What I love about this set is the synergy. The eye cream nourishes and preps, the mascara adds drama, and the pencil defines. On the flip side, the mascara brush might feel a little large for those with very short or sparse lashes, and the eye pencil, while long-wearing, requires sharpening since it's a traditional pencil format. Considering the price, this set is positioned in the higher-end range, but you're paying for quality formulations, a reputable brand, and a curated trio that covers multiple eye makeup needs. If you're someone who loves a complete eye-enhancing routine or is looking for a gift that screams luxury, it's well worth it. For a slightly more budget-friendly approach, you could look at similar high-performing mascaras and eyeliners from other premium brands, but you'd be missing the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream's added skincare benefit. Overall, the build and packaging feel premium, and the products deliver on their promises. Mascara doesn't flake, eyeliner holds, and the eye cream preps and brightens subtly yet effectively. I haven't had a need to contact customer support, but Estée Lauder has a solid reputation for responsive service should any issues arise. If this review is helping you decide, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means we can keep bringing honest reviews like this one. In summary, the Estée Lauder High-Powered Eyes Turbo Lash Mascara 3-piece gift set is a luxe, high-performing trio that truly enhances your eyes. It's perfect for anyone wanting a bit of drama without compromising on skincare benefits or quality. I'd recommend it to beauty enthusiasts who appreciate multifunctional, high-end products that deliver both performance and care. Thanks for tuning in, beauties! You'll find the link to grab this set in the comments or description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.